What is up, you guys? It's Lance again on your screen, and welcome back to another video. Today I am excited to show you some of the new title editing preset templates in Filmora version 11.4. Also, I'm gonna be doing a quick tutorial on how you can customize your own preset templates for your titles in your videos. Before we start, please make sure that your Filmora software is already updated to the latest version so that you can enjoy their newest features and updates. In order to do that, you can download this software using the link in the description below. Let's start. Right after you launch Wondershare Filmora, click New Project so that you can start editing. Now, to proceed with title editing, click Titles right here, and let's add a default title on our editing timeline. Just click plus, then it's now in your timeline. Double click the title clip and click the preset tab right here. As you can see, they've added a bunch of new title preset templates here, and these text styles are free to use. You just need to double click whatever you like among these. So let's try this one, text style 19. Right there. So this is our preview of what it's gonna be like. Once you're done, you can click Save as Custom right here and rename it whatever you like. For me, I'm gonna name it as Title Preset 1. Title Preset 1. After that, click OK and another OK right here. Now, as you can see, your title has been changed according to your chosen preset that is provided by the latest update of Filmora 11. To access your saved custom preset, you can go to Titles, and under Titles you go to Custom, and as you can see, your saved custom preset is already here with the name assigned by you. Next is the advanced editing, wherein you can customize your own title preset template. Again, to do this, go to Titles and add a default title. Double click the title clip that you want to edit and click Advanced. After that, right here, click Customize. In this Customize tab, you can create your own template using the various editing elements that you can see right here. You can adjust the alignment of the text. You can also change the fill type of the text. We have color fill, gradient fill, and image fill. First, let's try color fill. As you can see right here, we only have one color chosen, which is what's on the preview right now. If you want to add some other colors, you can click this plus button right here, and you can change the color by clicking it and clicking the color that you want. Let's say I want a brown color, and it's now automatically changed. If you want to add some more, you can click plus, then find some other color. That's how color fill works. Now, let's go with gradient fill. So in gradient fill, you can be playful with your editing skills. If you want to change the color, just double click the box right here, and you can already change the color on whatever you want. Say I want red, blue, and pink. We have three colors right there. Let's adjust that by dragging the colors here in the gradient fill bar. As you can see, it's changing the color on whatever you want it to be. You can also adjust the blur effect of your gradient fill and the angle of the gradient. Now, if you want to add some outline, you can check the box right here, and as you can see, the pink outline is already applied on our title right here. If you want to change the color, just click the color palette right here, and you can pick the color that you want. For the outline, you can also change the blur setting and the thickness. And if you want to add other colors, you just click plus, and you already have another outline layer. Now, if you want to add some shadow, just tick the box right here, and since our background is black, let's change the color to white. And there you go. That's our shadow. You can change the distance, make it farther, and the blur effect gets stronger, and the opacity you can lower it. As you can see, there's our shadow right there. Now if you want to add some animations, you can just click the animation tab right here and pick the animation that you want to apply for your title. So I want to add flip down, double click it to apply, and there you have it. Now if you want to change the font of your title, you just go right here and pick the font that you want. I'm gonna go with this one. Now if you want to tweak more settings for your title, you can use the buttons right here. We have vertical, bold, italic, we have align, we also have line space, and letter space. Now if you're already satisfied with your editing, you can already save your customization using this button, save as custom, right here, and rename it again whatever you like. Let's say final title, then click OK. So as you can see, the customization that we made is already applied for your title right here. So from default, it's now like this. To check if our custom preset template is already saved, just go again to titles and custom. So as you can see, let's scroll down a bit, and the final title that we made is right here already. That is how easy it is to edit your own title preset and save it for your future use. If you want to explore the title editing more and use some of Filmora 11's presets, you can download this software using the link in the description below. That's it for this video. Ayo, it's Lance and I'm signing off. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.